Working of a two-wheeler engine. In four-stroke cycle engines, the four events namely suction, compression, power and exhaust take place inside the engine cylinder. The four events are completed in four strokes of the piston, that is, two revolutions of the crankshaft. This engine has got valves for controlling the inlet of charge and outlet of exhaust gases. The opening and closing of the valve is controlled by cams fitted on camshaft. The camshaft is driven by crankshaft with the help of suitable gears or chains. The camshaft is driven by the crankshaft with the help of suitable gears or chains. The camshaft runs at the half the speed of the crankshaft. The events taking place in IC engine are as follows. Number 1, suction stroke. Number 2, compression stroke. Number 3, power stroke. Number 4, exhaust stroke. Suction stroke. During suction stroke, inlet valve opens and the piston moves downward. Only air or a mixture of air and fuel are drawn inside the cylinder. The exhaust valve remains in closed position during this stroke. The pressure in the engine cylinder is less than atmospheric pressure during this stroke. We can see in the figure 1a. That is this one, suction stroke. Inlet valve is open. Compression stroke. During this stroke, the piston moves upward. Both valves are in closed position. The charge taken in the cylinder is compressed by the upward movement of the piston. If only air is compressed, as in case of diesel engine, diesel is injected at the end of compression stroke and ignition of fuel takes place due to high pressure and temperature of the compressed air. If a mixture of air and fuel is compressed in the cylinder, as in case of petrol engine, the mixture is ignited by a spark plug. Power stroke. After ignition of fuel, tremendous amount of heat is generated, causing very high pressure in the cylinder, which pushes the piston downward. We can see in the figure B. Sorry, figure C. This is figure C actually. Which pushes the piston downward. The downward movement of the piston at this instant is called the power stroke. The connecting rod transmits the power from piston to the crankshaft and crankshaft rotates. We can see in the figure. Mechanical work can be taped at the rotating crankshaft. Both valves remain closed during power stroke. We can see here. Both the valves are closed position. Exhaust stroke. During this stroke, piston moves upward exhaust valve opens, exhaust valve opens and exhaust gases go out through exhaust valve opening. All the burnt gases go out of the engine and the cylinder becomes ready to receive the fresh charge. During the stroke, inlet valve remains closed. Thus, it is found that out of 4 strokes, there is only 1 power stroke and 3 idle strokes in 4-stroke cycle engine. The power stroke supplies necessary momentum for useful work. Thus, in this video, we have learnt about the working of a two-wheeler IC engine.